The bipartisan gun control bill passed by Congress is now law. Oklahoma's congressional delegation all oppose the measure. Alex Cameron has more details from our News on 6 Washington bureau.
While the eyes of the nation last Friday were focused across the street on the historic Supreme Court decision on abortion, the House did something that hadn't been done in almost 3 decades: send consequential gun legislation to the president's desk.
Well, the motion is adopted.
After a vote of 234 to 193, the bipartisan Safer Communities Act needed just the president's signature to become law.
Well, this bill doesn't do everything I want. It does include actions I've long called for that are going to save lives.
The $13 billion legislation enhances background checks for gun buyers under 21, makes it harder for domestic abusers to purchase a firearm, and incentivizes states to pass red flag laws by including $750 million for crisis intervention programs, a big concern for many Republicans.
They are coming after Americans, law-abiding American citizens' Second Amendment liberties.
But some of the strongest support came from Republicans, especially those from states where mass shootings took place.
I don't believe in doing nothing in the face of what we saw in Uvalde and we've seen in far too many communities.
Oklahoma members said they support putting more money toward mental health and school security, but say the bill goes further than that.
And ultimately, what most House Republicans cannot and will not do is support additional restrictions on the Second Amendment, which is what the package before us will actually accomplish.
Oklahoma has made it clear, said Frank Lucas, Oklahomans believe in the fundamental right to bear arms.
While that is certainly true, a scientific poll of Oklahoma Republicans conducted this month shows nearly half, 43%, believe additional gun control measures are needed to reduce gun violence in Oklahoma. In our Washington bureau, I'm Oklahoma's own Alex Cameron.